Happy Tuesday, folks. It is Nicolasa. Today is Tuesday, October 6th. I am in front of you with two packages that I received from Villabeautifful yesterday. I attempted several times to do a video and it just kept getting interrupted. Speaking of which, I am in the house very early in the morning after having my husband and son miss their flight to LA. Everything happens for a reason, so they're gonna go later today. So anyway, I say all that to say in all things still give thanks, because you never know. All right, these two packages came in yesterday, like I said, from Villabeautifful, and I'm gonna get into this first package, which is in the pink envelope, and let's just dive in. Look at that. I actually have the September 2020 pen release from Villabeautifful. This is drop dead gorgeous. It is in the Halloween theme. Well, there's some that are Halloween themed. I'm gonna get inside and take out all of the pens and then give you the names and show you how beautiful they are. Of course, I have pen refills as a part of the package. And let me get in here and show you or tell you what the names are, okay? I love this card. It says, "Witch, please, hands off my pretty pens." I think that is so cute. I actually repurposed these. I'm gonna take a little bit off the top, punch some holes in it, and put it into my planner. Or sometimes I take the card and I actually just slide it right into my planner. I will be using my very new custom VDS, which is Vanderspec, for this, kit, rather. There's a kit for October called Mysterious. I will be using my Vanderspec for that. So anyway, sometimes I take the card that Tiffany sends as a thank you. That's what this is, a thank you card. And you can just, it's actually a little bit off at the top and you could slide that right in there. So I'm going to see how that looks with the black spider down at the bottom in the pens. I might do that, okay? I'm going to put that there. And I'm going to put my Vanderspec right there. And then I'm going to go over the pens with you. And this is going to be my Halloween binder. Let's see. I have stickers, which are the pens themselves, which is awesome. And then at the bottom, some lovely pumpkins. And I think they look great with that binder right there. Okay. The first pen I have is, these are just the refills. So you get 5 or however many you're ordering refills, gel pen refills, which is nice. This one is called Draculina. It is very beautiful. It's like a cranberry color, if I had to describe it. It's got cranberry crystals along with, I think that these are gray. Let me get in here and take it out so you can see. Very beautiful. Yes. Okay, with black hardware. Very pretty. And so she's gonna go into my holder here. I did buy a holder because I have found myself actually collecting pens now, something I didn't really care about before. The next thing I have is, the pack is called the 31st. And of course it's fitting because it's the colors of Halloween. So you have black hardware, white pen, the crystals are black, orange, and white. Very, very pretty. So that one's called the 31st. I'm gonna add that one to my collection. The next one is called Bellatrix. And I thought that I wouldn't keep this one at first because I don't like purple. It's just one of those things. I actually do not like the color purple at all. And I thought it was purple, but when I got it in, it's more mauve-y to me. And I'm okay with mauve because to me it has undertones of pink. If you could see, if it focuses, yes. The crystals are white, black, or gray, and they're very beautiful. Again, black hardware, and that's going inside too. Okay, look at how pretty she's shaping up over there. Yes, yes. The next one is beautiful. It's one of my colors that I absolutely love. It is olive, and it's called Miss Frankie. This one has black hardware, black and white crystals, and black, like a greenish color pen. So again, I think that this is gorgeous. I call it olive green, okay? I'll put that right there. She's shaping up nice. My holder was purchased from Amazon. It's a rose gold pen holder. It was not expensive. I wanted it in 3 tiers or in tiers so that I could kind of color coordinate my pens. Pen holder seems to be great, like one of those pen holders that is sold by Villabeautifful, but I want to display for my desk. So yeah, and I actually have this holder from the release, one of the kits rather, I'm sorry. And I just, this is Beautify Your Planner that just came out for the anniversary in August. And I have used this, I've put the pens in here, but I really want to use this when I travel and like use it for, you know, if I want to take some pens with me or whatever, or the ones that you go to most often. But otherwise, there's my holder right there. The last pen that I have is like a cream color. It is not white like the other one, it's actually cream. And this one is called Morticia, I don't know, one of those. And it is cream colored with black hardware. And then you've got your black and white, beautiful, beautiful crystals, okay? So that, you guys, is the first order that, first package rather, that I received yesterday. And for whatever reason, I couldn't do a cohesive video on it. So, I like the bag that it came in, actually. I'm just gonna kind of keep that for a little bit. So I'm gonna put that off to the side. I'm gonna put my refills up. I have a drawer full at this point of refills for the pens because I keep buying them. Like I said, I'm not a pen person. You wouldn't know that though. All right, the next package that I have, I'm gonna move my pens like off to the side over here because I wanna get into the next package, okay? And keep my Vanderspec right there so you can see all the things that are coming out of this lovely package. So the next one is Beautify Your Planner, shopvillabeautifful.com. And the owner is Tiffany, so you see the T-I-F-F. So make sure you're spelling Villa Beautiful correctly, the word beautiful correctly. Inside, I have the package that is called Mysterious. And this came out in September for October. So this was September's kit, 2020. And it has the VB logo in the corner. You can repurpose this envelope by cutting it down and making it into a dashboard or an acetate piece, which is what I totally plan to do. So I'm gonna take the actual envelope and cut it down, and I have myself a dashboard, okay? Let's get inside of here so I can show you all the goodies that came in this kit. There are several videos, including the video that is done by the owner. She does the best video, but I'm just gonna do mine because I'm just as excited as she was, I think, maybe. I'm gonna put the kit here, okay? So I can just grab stuff from there. The first thing you have here is your page clips, so paper clips that go inside. You have your orange iridescent type color for October. Halloween, and then you have your black one with your crystals or what have you, glitter. Tiffany did say that she made this kit specifically for Halloween this time, even though she doesn't normally do Halloween theme, and that's because the event that was scheduled for this year, 2020, was canceled and moved into 2021 because of COVID. but then she also made things that can be used year-round and not just for Halloween. So I appreciate that so much. Like this, for example, and that black clip, you can use that anytime. And of course, they look beautiful with my planner. So you can clip this on to the bottom of your rings, and the way she put it on was by a little device that she got from another planner. You hooked it onto the rings and then this clipped right inside. I'm gonna find that item. She said she got it from Joann Fabrics. It was a little, I can't explain it. It's a thing that goes around the rings. So here is your charm. So that's the other thing that came in this kit. The next thing is going to be your tab bookmarks, and these are beautiful. So I'm going to open these up and kind of show you what these are, because they come in different colors and they're gorgeous. So you have this one that's kind of like, it's got the moon and then some glitter. You've got this one that says today, and it's got all of those like beautiful abstract art, I guess. And then we've got the logo here, one of the signs for the logo, Villabeautifful. And then the last one says this week. And of course it has a rose, and it's gold. So you can use this year round. Be sure to always take the film off, because it looks kind of foggy. But once you take the film off of this, look at how beautiful it looks. How beautiful, you see that? Look how clear and gorgeous this is. But be sure to take the film off of these things. There's film on these. Okay, so all three of them. All right, those are gorgeous. The next thing that you have, I'm gonna move my camera over a little bit. The next thing that you have is your transparent page flags. And what I love about these things is, I don't even use page flags right now, but what I love is the color coordination that each comes in each month. And then also the fact that this in itself turns into a washi card. So I really like that, because in one of my other planners, I'm using this as a decoration piece. Okay, so washi card. Here you have your notes, your sticky notes, your to-do, and those are plain black rows with grid. Again, you can use that anytime, doesn't have to be at Halloween. The next thing that you have is the sticker book, and the sticker book is really, 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 really pretty. It has the deco sheet, and everything is done in everything is done in gold. So the foiling for this month, I'm just going to tab through, is done in gold. That's your full stickers, half stickers, your functionals, again, gold foiling, tabs, and your weeks, you know, Sunday through Saturday. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, there's your sticker book. This is your card that comes with the planner, or the kit rather, to let you know exactly what should be included. And I repurposed this as well. So this will be getting cut down and will be made into a dashboard to go inside. Okay, so I'm going to get that all prettied out for you and come back. These are your washi, foiled washi stickers. I don't really use these a lot because there's not a lot going on, so I might get rid of these, but I'm not sure yet. We'll have to see. I'm not sure, but at any rate, you have 2 gunmetal, you have 2 silver, 2 gold, and 2 black. So total, you have 10 of these, okay? I think this one's rose gold too, so sorry about that. You see how these 2 are silver, you've got your gold, or whatever these are, gunmetal. You do have 1 sheet of rose gold, looks like to me, unless this is considered gunmetal, okay? There you go. Excuse me. the next thing you have too is the sticker book. And I don't think that I'm going to be keeping the sticker book. I'm going to put that there because I don't plan on taking my stickers off and putting them in here. This is literally like a book where it has pages that are where you can put a sticker and then take it off and use it later. It is gorgeous. It's got the gold foiling there, your logo on the back, but I do not plan on probably keeping this because I don't really use stickers like that to be, you know, kind of taking them out and then putting them back. So there's a few things that I might, you know, sell, okay? Then you have your lovely paper pack. You have your vellum, your 2 pieces of vellum. Again, you can use these anytime. And what I like about this kit is there's black vellum, and rarely do you run into this. So I am very excited about the black vellum and then this vellum as well. Okay, the actual pages, the paper, you have this paper, and on the back, that's the decoration there, or the design. You have this piece. Again, a lot of like colors and just black and gold, but neutrals where you can use it anytime. This page, very beautiful. I like that. And this one. And then last but not least, your other piece of paper. It's pretty thick. It's cardstock. The one thing that I don't like is shiny paper, and this is shiny. It's as you can see. I like my paper to be a little bit more matte. Not complaining. I'm just simply saying, you know, that's what I prefer. So maybe I might not get the paper pack each time, but I actually love vellum, so that's my issue. I love vellum, so for that alone, I might buy it. So we'll see. Would you stay there? All right, and adding the paper is only like $5, so no need to complain about it. All right. Last but not least, the washi, which is where people mostly start, and I also have one more item. So your washi is black with the gold speckles inside. Very, very pretty, and in the back of that, it's gray. So if I were to unroll this, you would see like all of those color combinations. And then here you have your rose gold seeping through with gold, black, and gray. This one is so stinking beautiful, as is that one. But again, you can use these anytime. Doesn't have to be Halloween. Okay, there we go. And then the pen. Yes. So, and my refill. So the pen is inside. Let me get in here because actually the pen itself is sparkly. So let's open that up. Okay, let's take a look. Ugh, she's beautiful. Look at that sparkly pen. All right. And then your crystals are just like gorgeous. They're gorgeous. Now this pen, it has a name. It might be mysterious, yes, because it's usually named after the kit. So this is the Mysterious Pen, October 2020. Okay, well, September's kit for October. So she's gonna go right in there with her brothers and sisters. Okay, so she's gonna go there. So this is what, oh, I knocked down everything. This is what my pen collection is shaping up to look like. I do have a few more in some of my planners right now, but that's what she's looking like so far. And of course, we'll get this filled out in no time, okay? All right, you guys, I won't keep you longer than I have to. What I am going to do is I'm going to decorate my Vanderspec A6. I'm going to decorate her out with some of the things from the Mysterious kit, and then I'll be back to show you a flip through of that planner for the month. All right. I did order the next kit, so I'll be back to show you that, along with some other Louis Vuitton items and things that I love. I hope you have a great Tuesday. Please remain safe and COVID-free. I'll pray for you. Please pray for me. Have a great day.